Welcome back. Americans are facing a triple threat to their finances. U.S. stocks have dipped into a bear market. The Federal Reserve is expected to increase interest rates tomorrow, and some economists say a recession is likely.
Right now, Matt McAleer joining us from Cumberland Advisors to help us understand what is happening with the economy right now. Matt, this duty falls to you. Sorry about that, but yes.
Take a shot at it. You know, everything's linked together. So when you say inflation and markets and economy separately, the reality is the inflation's what's causing trouble in the markets right now. The Fed got a little behind the inflationary ball and are trying to catch up. What happens is the markets try to price in that catch up, trying to price in where rates eventually will end up and where inflation will eventually end up. That's the battle day to day. And listen, a 10% drawdown in the S&P in 3 days, that's very rare. In terms of how you handle that kind of move, if you have cash, if you've played some defense, you try to surround that bottom. You don't pick a bottom, say today's the bottom. You put a little bit of cash to work, a little more to work. So you do it in what we like to call a surround fashion. In terms of rates, the Fed meets tomorrow. There is different opinions. Will they raise 0.5%, 0.75%, or 1%? Tough to say. It's just a guess from here. I would say they want to give the impression to the public that they are taking inflation seriously. The one problem we have, Cynthia, is the Fed can't control gas prices and food prices.
Yeah.
There's other factors here. There's a war in Ukraine with Russia. That hits food and energy. You know, we have bottlenecks in our energy supply system at the refinery level. The Fed can't just flick a switch and fix that. So it's going to take some time to get through this. So as far as investors go, they have to stay flexible, stay patient, try to realign their portfolios maybe a little more defensively than they've been used to in the past 3 or 4 or 5 years when interest rates were close to zero.
Oh, wow. Matt McAleer laying it down for us. Now we know why we're in a bear market right now as of yesterday. Matt, thank you so much. Cumberland Advisors. And it's always good to talk to you. And hopefully
Nice
the news
Don.
next time we
Thanks,
see you
Cynthia.
in person will be better.
Hopefully.
We'll have to bring you in on some lighter news.
Yeah.
Good. Deal.
All right, we'll be right back. Stay with us for the next hour news.